Hey guys, this is Jennifer with TheWookie Natural. If you like this hairstyle that I created, I'm going to show you how I redo this look. So stay tuned. Okay, for this style that I'm going to create, you will need bobby pins or bob pins or hairpins. You'll need some elastic bands. I've got 4 because I'm sectioning my hair in 4 pieces. And you will need these little elastics. The little elastics are actually optional. You may not want to use them, but if you want to keep your hair together, you'll use them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate my hair into 4 sections. I'm putting my hair off to this side because this is the side I like to put my hair off to, but you can do what you like. My hair is already damp because I just washed it yesterday, and so it is still damp. So I am going to do this style. I'll take some hair out of there. I'm doing this style to the side, obviously, and I'm putting it in 4 sections. So that's the first section, and actually I probably can let some of that out. It's harder to braid when your hair is super thick, when you have a lot of hair to braid. So you're going to try to get your hair into manageable sections. So this is my second section. Then I will do 2 sections in the back. Alright, and I'll turn around so you can see how this looks. Okay, so I've got it in 1, 2, 3, and 4 sections. Okay, so now I'm going to braid a section. I like to start with this section. I like to start with this second section because this one's the hardest actually to braid. So I'm gonna take a couple of locks and just start my braid. I'm doing a cornrow. That braid is coming along there, and you got to be careful to get all the hair, all the locks in, because I typically leave a lock out or 2, and you don't want to do it too big because the ends will poke out. So you just want to take your time and do it. Okay, I'm going to braid all the way to the end. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be neat. And you don't have to get these brands of elastics because they're not that great. I would go get the clear or the black. And I said, oh, let me try these because they were you know, hair colored, different tones of brown, but they are very flimsy. So I would just get your regular rubber bands, small rubber bands. I wanted clear and I didn't see clear, so that's why I got the multicolored ones, the natural tone ones, I guess I should say. Okay, so I did the braid in the front, and you see how it's sticking out. So try to, if one sticks out, you can tuck it in. It's no big deal, but the slower you do it, the easier it is to just keep it neat. Okay, that's the second braid. And I just put the bands on the end so it prevent it from unraveling unnecessarily. See, that one broke. See, that one broke right away. So just work with it. Try not to pull it too hard. There we go. All right. So there's two. So I'm gonna go ahead and, so I have 5 braids instead of 4. That's okay, we're just gonna make it work. I knew that one was kind of skinny. I was wondering why it was skinny. So you don't always see when you're doing this yourself. You gotta just kind of feel it. Feel your way through, okay? But the style should still work. You can do this with 3. You can do this with 2. You could do this with 3. I have chosen in this video to do it with 5, obviously. But normally I do it with 4 braids, okay? Well, the past couple of times I've done it with 4 braids. Okay, so now that we got it all pinned, see, I missed one. So if you miss one, I'm just gonna tuck it into a previous one. I'm just gonna work it in. I'm just gonna take it out real quick. Okay, I'm back. So now I got my trusty bobby pins, and I'm going, and hairpins, and then here's some bobby pins, okay? And so what I'm neatly gonna do is tuck this first braid into the second braid. I'm just gonna pin it. Try to make it where you can't really see it. So I'm gonna pin it under there like that, so you don't really see it. And I'm gonna take the second braid and do the same thing. Tuck it under the third braid. And And then tuck pieces in if you need to. Let me see if I can show you what I mean. So I went in and tucked this one under this one. And then I'm doing that all the way around. Tucking it into the next braid. And you know, you may want to brush. You know, I don't typically do a lot of edge control, but if you want to do some edge control around here, brush it. I might brush it. Get a little oil and tame your edges. And that is it, you guys. That is it. That's how the look looks. And you can leave this in as long as you like. What I typically like to do is take it down at night, take the pins out and let it hang down at night. So while I'm sleeping, it doesn't give me a headache. But other than that, you can leave it in, take it out, and just keep it like that. So that's it. Until next time, stay wookie.